Back in 1995, someone brought me this instrument from Peru, from South America. Landed in my lap as a gift. It's a beautiful thing. It's amazing it made it through customs with this armadillo back. I've been spending some time doing some restringing, and I thought you might enjoy the process. Could well be one of those instruments you didn't really know you needed. It's laid dormant for all this time, and it's time to restring and to bring it back to life. Let's do it. The story begins with what I thought was a simple restring. Everything was going well until I snapped the high E string. Once the string snapped, I knew I had no choice but to remove the tuning machines completely so I could give them a proper clean. The only problem was I'd never done anything like this before. After some research, I set about removing the tuning machines, giving them the best clean I could. So this is turning out to be a much bigger job than what I thought, but if I try it on one of these tuners, I will try it on all 10. And hey, my mother said to me, a job worth doing is a job worth doing well. And then came the moment of truth. Could I get them working again? Success! I got the first one back on. 1 down, 9 to go. I got this product at Bunnings. You can see the grime where the little cogs were. A lot of built up dirt over the years, but it's slowly coming off. Let's put them back. Getting the gear tuner back in requires some dexterity. And then I'm not sure I really have. With the tuning machines finally working smoothly, it was time for the final restring. We have G, C, E, A, and another E. Music is a labour of love. But I am so excited about this one.